InfoTouch liquor store systems provide a complete POS solution for all liquor stores. The systems include seamlessly integrated hardware, software, and payment processing. Each of the components is best of breed, but overall, system pricing is very affordable. Liquor stores have done well in the recession and are looking to improve operational efficiencies and enhance customer service. InfoTouch liquor store systems do just that for all liquor stores. The software in the InfoTouch liquor store system is InfoTouch's Storekeeper POS. It has received the highest 5-star rating every year since 2002 by the CPA Technology Advisor magazine. It has also been certified PCI compliant not once but twice by Visa. The software features incredible ease of use, comprehensive functionality, all at an amazing price point. The software has been pre-configured for all POS peripherals so that they work right out of the box. InfoTouch liquor store systems are sold by InfoTouch's national network of resellers. Different resellers carry different hardware platforms, but Storekeeper POS runs on all Windows-based touchscreen POS systems. Systems also include barcode scanners, receipt printers, cash drawers, magnetic stripe readers, and customer displays. Storekeeper POS runs on virtually every POS peripheral sold today. InfoTouch liquor store systems includes integrated payment processing that works out of the box with Mercury payment systems for credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, as well as check verification. The heart of an InfoTouch liquor store system is Storekeeper POS software. It features intuitive touchscreen operations at the register for all point-of-sale transactions. Scan your items with a barcode or look them up by description. A keyboard is never needed at the point of sale. Standard features include age verification, multiple units of measure. I buy my beer by the case, and I sell those cases. But I also break them apart and sell 6-packs and singles. We'll track that back to a single SKU for you so you always know what you have in stock and what you need to order. Automatic case discounts allows you to scan 12 bottles of wine, for example, and give the customer a 10% discount as soon as that 12th bottle has been scanned. A frequent shopper program is another standard feature. Give your best customers special pricing at the item level. When you get below your minimum quantities, Storekeeper POS will automatically generate purchase orders to your vendors. You are looking at the register module of the Storekeeper POS liquor store. In a liquor store, the best way to ring up items is by scanning. And with Storekeeper POS, you don't have to hit any buttons to make that happen. Simply scan your item, and it rings right up. So here we've rung up a bottle of Classic Coke. Let's say now that we get to a bottle of tequila, and the barcode label has been damaged, but the number can still be read. No problem. Now we'll use our buttons to go ahead and simply type in the UPC code. With Storekeeper POS, a keyboard is never needed at the point of sale, although you can use one if you like. Since this happens to be a bottle of tequila and we have our age verification option turned on, the system is requesting that we put in the birth date. And our bottle of Jose Cuervo rings right up. In addition to ringing things up by number, Storekeeper POS also allows you to check on prices and what's in stock by description. So let's say I come in and I am looking for a wine. I like a brand called Behringer. Well, here's all the Behringers we have in the store with the real-time quantity on hand, location within the store, and the price of the item, as well as an indicator of whether it's on sale or not. I'm going to take a look at the Sauvignon Blanc, and you know what? I think I'll buy that. The item is added to the transaction. Now let's add some beer to the sale. Just like we saw with wines, in addition to scanning, we could take a look at our beers by their description. I'm interested in Bud. Here's all the Buds in the store in various bottle sizes and case sizes. I'm going to buy a 12-ounce bottle that normally comes in a 24-pack case. and add it to the sale. And now we're prompted for how we want to sell that bud, because we sell those cases, but we also sell 6-packs, singles, and 12-packs. The 6-pack has been designated the default. We could touch any of these buttons or simply hit OK to add a 6-pack to the sale. Note that no matter what unit of measure is selected, we are all tracking this back to a single SKU so that the retailer knows exactly how much bud they have in stock. We can also use our touch buttons to ring up items directly by description rather than having to scan them when it's inconvenient to do so. For example, think of a bag of ice. Rather than getting the counter wet while you maneuver it around to find the barcode, simply ring it up directly by description. Let us say now that the customer notices on the customer display that he has rung up a total of over $44, and he really didn't want to spend that much today. So he asked the store clerk, I really didn't want to spend that much. I think I won't worry about that bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. Just put it back for me, would you? No problem. At the point of sale, simply touch the line that you want to get rid of or do other things too, like edit the quantity, hit void line, and the item is gone. The customer is now ready to complete his purchase, and he can pay with a credit card, debit card, gift card, or check, which can be optionally verified electronically. But let's say in this case he's going to pay with cash. Notice some buttons are corresponding to the total due. He gives us $35. Change due is displayed, and we have just made a sale. By the time the screen is cleared, inventory has already been updated. Storekeeper POS supports up to 60 registers per location. Now let's take a look at another transaction involving a frequent shopper. The customer comes in the door, and he wants to buy a pack of Marlboros. We'll go ahead and select one, enter in his birth date, and then scan a bottle of Bacardi rum. The customer now pulls out his frequent shopper card. Now notice the total right now is $22.31. That frequent shopper card, by the way, can have a barcode of the customer number right on it that you could scan, or that same number encoded on a magnetic stripe that you could just run through the standard MSR that you use with credit cards. Alternatively, you can find that customer by telephone or by name. We'll type in the first couple letters of last name, and this customer happens to be Jack Frost. Touch the line, we get some more information about him, including a customizable message so that the clerk can look at it and ask, hey, how's your newborn son Jim doing? We'll select OK, and that $22.31 has been reduced to $19.31 because Jack automatically gets special pricing because he's in our frequent shopper program. Once we've linked the sale to Jack, we can touch the line with his name on it and, for example, take a look at his sales history. So here's previous sales, and we can go back in time as well. Jack is going to pay with a check, and we have completed this transaction. This concludes our brief overview of InfoTouch liquor stores. For more information, please call 877-849-6615 toll-free, or visit us at www.infotouchliquorstore.com. Thank you.